What if I told you that with just 3,000 naira, you can learn how to bake 7 different types of cakes? What if I told you that all this you can learn in the comfort of your home with just your smartphone? My name is Julie and I'm the founder of Julie's Place. I'm excited as I welcome you to our online training. It's going to be intensive, it's going to be fully packed, and it's going to be for 4 days, just 4 days. And you learn how to bake 7 different types of cakes and how to decorate cakes with buttercream, whipped cream, how to decorate it with fondant. I'll teach you all you need to know about cake baking and cake decoration. Christmas around the corner, you can bake for your family, you can give your family a treat of their lives without breaking the bank. You can also sell to family and friends, or turn it to a profitable business, and I can assure you can make up to 200,000 naira monthly doing this business, either as a full-time business or a side hustle. This is the right time to be in this business. And remember that the 25% discount is just for the first 20 people that will register. I encourage you to click the link below and grab this opportunity.